What's up friends, Raju here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to my this video. In this video I am going to show you how to write a perfect review of any product. Review is the one of the best way to promote any offer, any products, and perfect review is mandatory for making sales. If you can write perfect review, then you can make sales. Otherwise, your audience, your customer will read your review, but they never interested to buy from you. So you have to write a attractive review for making sales. And at the present time, review is one of the best way to make affiliate commission in any niche. It may be health and fitness, make money online, any physical product, any digital product, so everything. So you have to need how to write a perfect review, and in this video I am going to show you how to write a perfect review of any product, and I will show you few mandatory elements that will needed to make a perfect review, to write a perfect review. So guys, I am Raju Bhadro, affiliate marketer of Legendary Marketer, ClickBank and many other marketplaces, and I am making $1,000 per month by affiliate marketing, and a review is one of my way to make my affiliate commission. And I will show all of my real life case study that I follow to write my reviews, and I will show you in this video. So don't miss any part of this video. I will show you everything exact what are needed to write a perfect review. So guys, don't miss any part of this video. But first thing is first, if you first inside my YouTube channel, subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadro and punch the notification bell for my upcoming videos, new videos and new updates inside my YouTube channel. You see here, it's an educational YouTube channel, a lot of helpful content inside my YouTube channel, and I am uploading videos in the daily basis. You see here how to start ClickBank affiliate marketing without any hard work, top 4 reasons why you need a website, how to start Warrior Plus affiliate marketing for free, how to start affiliate marketing as a beginner, how to promote CP offers with solo ads, how to promote ClickBank affiliate links for free, how to get unlimited free traffic in any niche, how to make high ticket commissions for free. A lot of helpful content inside my YouTube channel. So if you subscribe my YouTube channel, you never be frustrated, you never be disappointed, and I am uploading videos in the daily basis, and I try my best to provide the best help, the best info inside my videos. And I am working here for last 8 years, so I am facing a lot of facilities, a lot of difficulties, a lot of problems, and I try my best to solve all of the problems that a newbie or a beginner can make money online by affiliate marketing, by online marketing. And if you want to make over 10,000 per month like me, then check my number on recommendation or check my video description. You see here, join six-figure number on business model. It's an educational training program. So if you are a beginner and you don't know from where should I start my online journey and how can I long run my online journey, and this for this reason, this high ticket training program is for everyone. So if you want to make big money, if you want to long run your online marketing journey, then check my number on recommendation, this six-figure number on business model you see here, and online marketing based on traffic. If you have traffic, then you can make money, otherwise you never make a single money from online. And for this reason, I added here get unlimited buyer traffic, and you can get this traffic secret. It's a product of number one entrepreneur, number one online marketer, Mr. Russell Brunson, the best seller product of 2020, the best traffic method in 2020. So you can check it, you can get it. Now I will show you how to write a perfect review of any product. So I am an affiliate marketer and my niche is make money, and I will show you how I write my reviews about make money related products, software, services, training program. And you can apply those elements in any niche. It may be health and fitness, okay, it may be home and gardening, it may be insurance, it may be beauty, fitness, weight loss, every kind of product, every kind of physical product, every kind of digital product. You can add all those important elements to make a gorgeous review that your buyer, your audience can grab it and you can make sales. Okay, so guys, don't miss any part of this video and don't miss this YouTube channel Raju Bhadra. It's an educational YouTube channel, it's an helpful YouTube channel. So don't forget to subscribe it and don't forget to punch the notification bell for my upcoming videos, new videos, and to be the first viewer of all of my new videos. Okay guys, now see the mandatory elements of a perfect review. So when you start your review, at first you have to introduce yourself, who you are, what's your passion, how much you can make money, about yourself. Okay, now introduce about the creator and the vendor. So every product released by any vendor, any creator, so you have to introduce about the vendor. Then what is about the product, you have to write a short note about what is the product, about the product. Then how does this product or service or software, or it may be 2 steps, 3 steps, 4 steps formula, anything can be, and you have to describe it into your review page. Okay, now what included inside the product, you have to write it, what what your buyer, your audience will get inside the product, you have to write it. Okay, now focus on traffic part mostly. Traffic is the key to success in online marketing, I already said it. So you have to focus on traffic part, how your audience, how your reader will get traffic from those products or from those software or from those service, you have to focus it. Okay, then what are the benefits of the product, what kind of benefits included the product, what will, what can they do it for using this product, you have to indicate it. Okay, now who is perfect for this product, everyone is not perfect for your product, everyone is not perfect for every software. So some software or some product for freelancer, some product or some software for online marketer, some for old age, some for young age. So you have to indicate it, who is the perfect for this product. Okay, now discuss about other upsell or upgrades. If this software have upsell or upgrades, then you have to indicate it. It may be 5 upsell, 4 upsell, 5, 6, 7, anything, but you have to indicate it and you have to discuss about the upsells, the features of the upsells, the benefits of the upsells. Okay, all the upsells are needed or not, you have to write it. And finally you can express your opinion, and if you can added all those elements, then it will be the best, the perfect review, I can assure you. And I make sales writing this type of review, and I assure you, you must, you guaranteed you make sell if you can indicate all those elements inside your review. Now I want to show some of my reviews. Now you can ask me, hey Raju, how can I get all the info about it? Okay, it's fine, and I will show it now. And mind it, when you write a review, you have to invest 30 minutes. Okay, why you need to invest 30 minutes? Because when you start to write a review, you will get a JB page, sales page, and demo video. You have to write this JB page, you have to write the sales page, and you have to see the short demo video. Then you will get all the info about this product, and you can write the review as your own view, as your own opinion. And it's the best. Your audience, your targeted customer want to read this type of reviews. They don't like you. You can write review by copy paste inside the sales copy. Then it's the in the sales page they get the same or the same thing, but they want to get your opinion, they want to see your opinion. So for providing your opinion, you have to read this product first, and for this you will get the JB page, you get the demo video, and you will get the sales page, and that's enough to write a perfect review. And you see here this website mansai.com, and when you write a digital product review like JBJU or Warrior Plus products, then you will get all the info here. In the very last day I write this products review, so you will get all the product info here. So go here and you see the JB page. See here the JB page. Go the JB page here. So it's one of your element for reading about this product. Inside the JB page, you will get a overview of this product. You see here overview of this product. Then you will get the demo video. Okay, now it's the JB page, it's the demo video, and if see this JB document, and inside the JB document,
Hi, Brett Ingram here, along with my partner Mo Latif.
And inside the JB document, you will get the sales page. Okay. Inside the JB document, you will get everything about this product. Where's the sales page? You see here, inside the JB document, you will get the sales page, and every product you will get this JB page. So don't worry, you will get the JB page. It may be a affiliate page or JB page or JB document, anything, but you will get all the info about this product inside this JB page or affiliate page or JB document. And you see here, it's the sales page. Now you have to read this sales page. You have to write this, read this sales page. Now you will get the JB page. Okay, and you will get the demo video. So you have to invest only 20 to 30 minutes to read this product for better review. If you read this product, then you can write the best review, the best review. Okay guys, now I want to show some of my review. One of my review, you see here, I write this review yesterday. If you see this review, then here is, you see the title of this review, and here is my short about myself, then short about this product, and the content about this review, and the summary of this review. Now you see here what is this about this product. Here is this, and why this is recommended for anyone. Here is some of my satisfactory point, And if you read this product or JB page, sales page, then you can find this type of satisfactory points. Now you see here I added this demo video here. Now why this product benefited for you, you see here. Now you see here, as a beginner, can I be able to use this software? Okay. Now how can I make money using this software? Okay. Now what you will get inside this software? Okay. Now what should you do? Okay. Now does it ought to buy or does it risk free? Okay. Now is this software a scam? Okay. And here is my final verdict. That's it. That's it. And you see here, if you want to see my my dashboard, and I write this review yesterday, and you see I get sales here. Okay. Because it's a perfect review, and if you follow all those elements, then you can also write a perfect review. If you can write this type of review, sell never be stopped. You can change your days, you can change your bad times. So you have to write the perfect review, and for writing a perfect review, you can add all those elements inside your review, and it's the best review. It will be the best review for getting higher, more and more conversion. Okay guys, if this video helped you, then like this video. If you have any question on and queries, then comment in the comment box. I am always here to reply your question, your queries. And don't forget to share this video to the other peoples and to your friends. And if you first inside my YouTube channel, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, because I try my best to provide a lot of helpful content inside here. Like this video, you see, if you see all other the videos, then you will get a lot of info like this video. So I try my best to provide the right info, right method, right system in my training, in my tutorial, in my videos. So you never be disappointed to subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadro. And if you want to make big money over 10,000 per month, then check my number on recommendation or check my video description. So guys, that's it. So I want to review it again. All the mandatory elements of a perfect review. Number one, introduce yourself. Number two, introduce about the product or about the creator or the vendor. Now number three, what is about the product. Number four, how does this product or service work. Then what included inside this product. Then focus on the traffic part. How can you get traffic using this software, using this method, using this training. Then what are the benefits of this product, who is perfect for this product, discuss about other upsell or upgrades, and your final opinion. That's it guys, it's the perfect review, perfect basement of the review. So guys, that's it, see you soon, God bless you. And don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel if you want to make money online by affiliate marketing, and if you want to get a lot of helpful content about make money online in the daily basis, weekly basis, and a lot of info inside here. So guys, don't forget to subscribe it and punch the notification bell. So guys, see you soon, God bless you, bye.